Good morning from DXN Philippines. What you are looking at is the office which was made about 2014. Let's go into the office. That is the main entrance. This is the sitting area, all the products which are there. And this is the sale counter, I believe. It's a very nicely decorated. What I'm looking at is very spacious, open, and has got a very good environment. The vibe is very positive. Now, next video, I'm going to take you to the most important part of the DXN business is the training center. I am in the training room of DXN Philippines in Manila. This is one of the best training rooms that I've seen in the world. I've traveled to almost 50 countries and have not seen such a beautiful and so spacious, and almost 400 people can come over here. This is what is the backbone of our business. The training part is the business, and definitely why Philippines is doing good is because of so many trainers are there. So one of the top trainers of the world are here. So what you are looking over here is the wall of fame. On the top are all the crown ambassadors, and the rest of the pictures that you are looking at, they are the crown diamonds. This is a big achievement. This is not an easy achievement to have 10 diamonds and then 20 diamonds in order to become the crown ambassador. Jamie Kidding is the first crown ambassador of Philippines, and one of the first in the world also. These are really the people who have really worked very, very hard to achieve that status. I'm trying to get you the legitimacy of DXN Philippines. This is DTI, the department, the government department, which gives this type of a certificate. Direct selling and multi-level marketing had always been challenging because of a lot of scam companies, a lot of companies who are not having the right product. Alhamdulillah, we have this department which has given us this legitimacy, which is proper, the product, the business, everything is. And we are in DXN Philippines for over 25 years. That itself shows, the company is legit. The company has proven their presence and their business all over.